Assalamu alaikum. We are here on stage of Ali English House Academy in association with Ali Public School, Tumpur. Ours is only school in entire Karnataka state to have the daily classes on communication skills and public speaking skills. So let's hear a speech from this boy. Inshallah, over to you.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim. I am studying 4th standard B section. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you doing today? This really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to my self-introduction. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim. I am studying 3rd standard B section. My father's name is Muhammad Saleha. My mother's name is Taslim Banu. My favorite car is Supra. My favorite bike is Kawasaki Linda Histoire. My favorite food is biryani. I want to become Hafiz Quran engineer. Thank you, Jazakallah khair. Have a nice day.